So today I'm doing some neck isometric exercises. First do few stretching exercises just to warm up a bit. Try to push your head in the front, but don't move it, and then do it from the back side and do it from the side. Anyways, good morning everyone. To go out for my ride. For some reason this road was closed, but I think it is okay for cyclists. It's a big farm. Right now we are in Maidenhead. Maidenhead is right next to Tableau. Maidenhead was the constituency of the previous Prime Minister, Theresa May, and it is a beautiful place. One interesting fact about this bridge is that this bridge was built, current bridge was built in 18th century or 1700 something. There was another bridge here that was built around 13th century. I am discovering new places around my home, and you can do running, you can do walking along this track. Look at this tree. I'm sure it is like 300-year-old tree. It is such a nice feeling to sit here, enjoy the sun by the river with my bike and an empty bottle of Shahi. This is not my beer. I usually don't drink in the morning, just for your knowledge. It depends. The water is not deep here. Keeping a bike like this can be dangerous because it can go into the water. Okay, time to go home. Bye bye bird. Feeling very good because my ride was amazing. I explored new places today, but I still have one important thing to do. The back garden is done. I also need to clean this. Okay, feeling good. I wanted to cut the grass for a long time. Gardening is not really my topmost priority. I hope you enjoyed watching today's vlog. See you tomorrow. Bye.